Yes students, today we will continue this exercise 3.3. In previous video I told you 6 formulas of this trigonometry chapter. I hope all of you have learnt these formulas. These 6 formulas were sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B, tangent A plus B and tangent A minus B. In today's video I will tell you few more formulas related to this exercise. All of you will learn these formulas. You will learn it by writing. Next formula is sin 2a. This formula is also derived from sin A plus B. All of you know that sin A plus B is equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. If in this same formula in place of B you write here A, then A plus A it becomes 2A. Here also this B is replaced by A. Then sin A cos A plus sin A cos A it can be written as 2 times sin A cos A. So next formula is sin 2A is equals to 2 sin A into cos A. This is the formula of sin 2A in terms of sin and cos. One more formula is there for sin 2A in terms of tangent, that is 2 tangent A divided by 1 plus tan square A. You will learn both these formulas for sin 2A. This is formula in terms of sin and cos. This is the formula of sin 2A in terms of tangent. 2 tangent A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Next cos 2A. This formula is also derived from cos A plus B. All of you know that cos A plus B is equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. If in this formula this B is replaced by A, then it becomes cos 2A. Here also this B is replaced by A, then it becomes cos square A minus sin into sin, it becomes sin square A. So this is the formula for cos 2A. Cos 2A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A. And all of you know that one trigonometric identity is sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. So in place of this sin square A, you can write down here 1 minus cos square A. When you take this minus sign inside, then cos square A minus 1 minus minus becomes plus cos square A, and cos square A plus cos square A it becomes 2 times cos square A. So second formula for cos 2A is 2 cos square A minus 1. Similarly, if sin square A remains as it is, in place of cos square A you will put 1 minus sin square A. It gives you 1 minus 2 sin square A. So these are the 3 formulas of cos 2A in terms of sin and cos. One more formula for cos 2A is there, which is in terms of tangent. This is 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tangent square A. So you will learn these 2 formulas of sin 2A and 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 formulas for cos 2A. Next is tangent 2A. All of you know that tangent is equals to sine by cos. So tangent 2A can be written as sine 2A by cos 2A. And what is the formula for sine 2A in terms of tangent? 2 tangent A divided by 1 plus tan square A. And this is the formula for cos 2A. When you divide these 2 formulas, then 1 plus tan square A is cancelled with 1 plus tan square A. It gives you value of tangent 2A, which is equals to 2 tangent A divided by 1 minus tan square A. Or otherwise this result you can find out from the formula of tangent A plus B also. If in the formula of tangent A plus B you will replace this B by A, then it becomes A plus A means tangent 2A, then this result also gives you same formula. For this is the formula for tangent 2A. So today you will learn these formulas for sin 2A, cos 2A, tangent 2A. Few more formulas are there. Firstly listen these formulas, after that we will continue this exercise. Next formula is sine 3a, cos 3a and tangent 3a. These more formulas are there. Sine 3a, cos 3a, tangent 3a. This also you can find out if you write sine 3a by sine a plus 2a. Then here you can use the formula of sine a plus b. Then you will get the formula of sine 3a. But I am writing here direct formula of sine 3a. You will learn these formulas. No need to do derivation of these formulas. Sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Next formula for cos 3a, this is equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. And formula for tangent 3a, 3 tangent a minus tangent cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. These are the three formulas for sine 3a, cos 3a and tangent 3a. Next formula is, if two terms are there, cos, these formulas are known as CD formula also. Cos x plus cos y, or you can say cos a plus cos b, or you can take here cos c plus cos d. Any two cos terms are there. With these two cos terms, plus sign is there, then you will write down it 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. If these two terms of cos contains minus sign, means cos x minus cos y is there, in that case this is equals to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. And next two formulas for sin x plus y and sin x minus sin y. Sin x plus sin y, this is equals to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. In case of sin x minus sin y, 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. These are the four formulas. These formulas also you will learn. And last four formulas of this exercise, reverse of these formulas. Last four formulas. Now reverse of these last four formulas means, if 2 cos x cos y is there, then it can be written as cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. This you can find out, you can prove this also, because all of you know that formula for cos x plus y. You can use here formula of cos a plus b. Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Similarly, formula for cos a minus b or cos x minus y, this is equals to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. This plus sin x sin y is cancelled with minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y plus cos x cos y, it gives you 2 times cos x plus into cos y. So in this way you can prove these formulas also, but no need to do proof. You have to learn these formulas. Next is minus 2 sin x into sin y. This is equals to cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. Next is 2 sin x into cos y. This is equals to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. And last one is 2 sin x cos y. This is 2 cos x sin y. For this is equals to sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. So in today's video I have explained all the formulas, and last exercise of this chapter is not in your syllabus for this session. That's why no need to learn the formulas related to last exercise. Up to this formulas, all these formulas are used in this exercise. So in today's work you will write down these formulas twice or thrice, and you will learn these formulas by heart. Thank you.